If you're looking for pain relief fast, you better keep watching this video. I've got a goodie for you. All right, well, I'm here in Denver, Colorado. Well, technically Westminster, right by the Westin Hotel I stayed in this weekend. You're looking to get rid of your pain fast. Yeah, I was on the same road and I was trying to relieve my pain. It's been a few years. It's gotten a lot better. And through a lot of network spinal chiropractic work, it's really helped me to rid a lot of the pain. But it's really not about reducing pain, like, taking ibuprofen and stuff like that. It's about getting with the pain, which really is undigested life. Moments in life when you haven't really expressed whether there was something that was so funny and you were laughing about it, but then somebody told you, maybe your parents or your teacher or clergy or whoever told you that, shh, no, not now, keep it down, it's not funny, and then you stop the laughter. Or you're yelling in public, as a kid, and you're told again, not here, not now, no, stop, behave. But it's really by getting with what you did not process so long ago. And just to keep this short, I was at this retreat, Healing Fest, The Gate, run by DONNY EPSTEIN, and there was I think about like 200, maybe 300 people here, and it's incredible. In the last 3-4 days, I haven't not thought, no, I have not really thought about my own pain during these days because there's so many people there. This is the trick. Instead of focusing on your pain, like, woe is me, I'm a victim and all that, it's when you start talking to people who have other experiences. I mean, we're all bonded, we're all connected, but we all have different experiences. But so when you can look at another and see the level of pain that they're going through and forget about your pain, stop, and then you don't tell them anything, or you just observe and you listen. It's incredible what it will do for you, where you stop thinking about your pain. You stop thinking about, like, this happened to me and this person did this to me and I lost this because of this, and it's their fault and I'm gonna blame them for the rest of my life, or at least the next few decades. When you're not thinking about those things, your pain, you don't think about it. So is it still there? It probably still is there, but it's not as severe. And the more you do that, it might just become a discomfort over time, but honestly, maybe even a few moments, it might just become a light discomfort. Like right now, my pain is a light discomfort. It's not bothering me. It's not getting in the way of me living. So I'm probably gonna make more videos like this, but at least right now, the one trick to get rid of pain is to stop focusing on yours and start focusing on other people, and just watch the change that comes into your life and then with the other people in your life. Because when you start focusing on others, the people around you will change too. I'll see you on the next video.